Alright guys, we made it. We're here at the car show. Kind of last minute, but we showed up. We brought the squad with us. Got the V6 here. Got Manny's V6. Got the Ecoboost. Barney's over here. Everybody's up posted. They got free food. Barney. What's up, Barney?
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Got free food. We got a raffle. They're gonna be raffling off a grill and stuff like that. So pretty good. We're gonna be giving trophies. I really wanted to have it clean. Wanted to detail it, and y'all can see that didn't happen for me. Got up late. Look at that. Nasty. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got going on. Good turnout, man. We have a bunch of different cars. Cars that made a drive out from like 3 hours away. They're here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got today. We got Memo's Ecoboost, Barney's 5.0, pretty clean SN95, and it's freaking low. Dang. This color pops so good in the sun, man. The crimson red, super clean. I'm a big fan of these two though. Spike lug nuts look real good. And we have the Beast Shelby GT500. Dang. Another 5.0 GTCS and a GT500 for sale. So that's like the baby brother. It's just the older brother, huh? The paint, yeah, man. Clean. Freaking Crown Vic, dude. It's cammed. Got Mike's 5.0. Another one pulling up over there. It's supposed to be a car show, but it looks kind of like a freaking Shelby show, man. Everybody has Shelby's here. I'm slacking. Look at this. We got the Mach-E. Alright, come on. Come on, now I'm gonna try to sell you in the Mach-E. Come here. Come on, come on, come on. No, the Mach-E. I wanna show you the Mach-E. Let me know what you guys think. So much hate around this car right here, but I think till you guys see it in person, that's when you guys are gonna have a change of heart, change of mind, man. Once again, another 350. Damn, I've never seen so many Shelbys around here, man. Look at this. This one though. Damn. Sometimes I feel like I have such a badass car, and then I come to these meets and I'm like, okay, I remember. Look at that. Damn. The color contrast in this thing is insane. Look at that. It has like the whole Shelby, the snake went around the bumper, like the tail. I think that's what it is, yeah, because the snake's over here. Look at that. That's cool, man. That's being unique, something that not everybody has. I like it, honestly. Is it blueberry? Nice, man. Another white 5.0 with the Euros. Rocking the street aero diffuser. That, man. Wow. Lightning blue with the Roush holder intake. I'm honestly a fan of this too, having the covered intake. I don't know, I think it looks cool. Looks different too. Another Shelby. Pretty cool, man. This is the first meet I actually go out to with my car after the accident. So, my first official meet since like what, maybe December. I really haven't gone out, or if I've gone out, I haven't gone in my car, just hung out with the guys. But pretty good turnout, man. I'm really enjoying it. Got a classic over here too. Ooh, all right, now we're in business, guys. Rocking the twins. Dang.
How much you pay for it?
Dang, man, that color. This guy's copyright, brother. Garrett blue. My wife's favorite color of all time. Carbon fiber intake. Nice, man. Nice wrap as well on another 5.0. The new edge. Really clean new edge. The cowl hood and everything. I think I hear a little turbo in there. Little Pro Charger, I think. Sounds good. 3.7. Alright, let's check this out. It's like the only other V6 S97 that's here. Alright. I need to get that soon. I can't believe I haven't jumped on it for so many years. Alright. Pretty good, man. It's an all Mustang car show. We're here at a Ford dealership. So what do you expect, right? But really good turnout. Sheesh. We got tacos, barbacoa, menudo, guys. I know some of you guys might not know what this is, but it's a bunch of Mexican, Hispanic dishes. Now this is a car show, man. Tell me what car show you guys go to and they give you free food. And have a chance of getting a grill. That guy's got rice and beans. Got a potato taco, chicken taco. What'd you get, Dre, on yours? Barbacoa, rice and beans.
Let me post it like
for the gram. And what'd you get, Gabriel? Yeah, man, pretty badass. Food, like drinks, car show, Mustangs, America, with a little bit of Mexico. What else do you guys want, man? Love it. We're finally at the last stage of the eBay build on my sister's Mustang. And what better way to finish it off than by having her install it. This is the most easiest one she could probably do. I'm sorry, guys, they have construction in the front. It's totally ruining the video. So hopefully y'all can hear as well. But I do have these babies right here. And this is the most thing she was most excited about. Freaking louvers, and these are from eBay once again. They're about 35 bucks compared to the American Muscle ones. And I actually had the American Muscle ones first, but I ordered the matte black and she wanted gloss black, so I went ahead and sold the matte black ones and got these, and we saved ourselves about 20 to 30 bucks. And look at this, it's gloss black. You can see the reflection. For eBay, this is not bad. You have the 3M in the back, and she's gonna have the honors of installing this on herself. I mean, this is the easiest thing you can probably do. Just remove the 3M and put it on. I already went ahead and cleaned the surface. I am gonna apply alcohol. I always tell you guys when installing 3M, y'all need to use alcohol because that just helps with adhesion promotion when installing all this stuff. So first thing you want to do is test fit it. So that's the wrong one. Flip it. No, wait, not flip it. Use the other one. Sorry. Every time we talk about her car, she's always wearing a Mustang shirt. I don't know if she does it on purpose or it's by. You didn't? No, okay, it's by coincidence. So test fit it. I mean, it's common sense. Like, you literally just look at that, and it's pretty flush, guys. So all you do now is just remove the 3M and just stick it on there.
Not so easy.
Yeah, I think like the hardest part is probably taking the top part off. All right. Be careful, because once you put it on, like, it's on. Like, it's gonna be hard to come off.
You put this on me.
All right. Just make sure you line it before pressing down. Just measure with the trim, with the rubber trim. Yeah.
Like that.
Looks good.
put it down there?
Yeah. Yeah. And just start pushing hard. And there you have it. This is the one she was most excited for. Like, she cared less about the spoiler, the diffuser, the splitter, the front splitter, the tints. This was the thing she was most excited about, louvers. And that's like the only car part she knew. It's the last one we put on, the easiest and I think the cheapest. Even her LED bulbs and the tint were probably a bit more expensive. But there you go. Make sure you press on it hard. The only downside to this, the only cons is visibility. I mean, she said she doesn't really mind. I didn't really mind on mine either. But let's see. Oh, it's locked. Damn it. You have the keys? All right. Let's see how it looks like inside. All right. Let's see. Yeah. So visibility on this quarter louver is completely gone. That's the one with the louver, without. So I mean, it kind of helps when you're trying to look at the blind side. But what's badass about the Mustangs is that we do have the blind side little mirror there, which I think Camaros don't have it, or they barely started putting them on. What do you think?
I really like it.
You like it?
Yeah. It's what it was missing.
Call us racers, guys, but she's not really into performance, so we haven't done any performance mods yet. I don't know when she's gonna want to, but she just wants something to look nice. She's just a Mustang enthusiast. She's not a racer. She doesn't care about that, about driving fast. She just wants something to look good on. But it took us about a few weeks. I was trying to work around her schedule because she's been super busy. She's been working on her master's degree and she is officially finished, right? So go ahead and drop down a congratulations for her, guys, because she's been working about 4 or 5 years for her master's in speech therapy, and she's about to, well, she's already finished. She just needs to graduate now, I think in May next month. And she is done, guys. So go ahead and just give her big congratulations. Maybe a Shelby coming soon with that master's. I don't know, maybe.
More mods?
More mods, there you go. The one I use right now, yeah. Alright, second louver, guys, going on. Yeah, just follow the trim. Good.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, just push down, get the microfiber towel and just like start pressing down hard. Yeah, just go around like all the trim, the edges.
Wow. It only took
Yeah, it takes like,
mod for me.
there's a last mod and it literally takes like 2 minutes. There you have it, guys. We're completely done with the eBay build. I don't think there's anything else that we can do to it. Everything else would probably just be springs, which I know a lot of you guys were asking that, and I've already told her that you guys like actually commented that y'all wanted springs, so that might be in the works soon. But I mean, as of right now, we're completely finished with it until she decides to do something else. It looks pretty good, man. The car came a long way from being stock. I think we spent around $700 roughly, and she gave me the $1,000 budget, so we still have room to play with. So that's where we might throw getting the wheels painted gloss black and the calipers. Might get the roof wrapped gloss black, and that should be it till we do some crazier mods. I know a lot of people mentioned as well that she should get badges. I don't think I mentioned badges right. No, there's like 2.3 like badges. That's the size of the engine, so I don't know if you want to put it so it won't look so plain. I know she does want stripes. She doesn't want the Shelby stripes. She wants something a little bit different, so that's also in the air. Stuff is still on its way, guys. We just don't know what we're gonna get yet. But if you are new to the channel, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys, and follow her Instagram, which is
Liz_biz09.
There you go.
And give the video a thumbs up.
Yeah, there you go. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.